In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to union tables in Tableau Desktop. So, you've started with Tableau, and now you're ready to dive into more advanced data manipulation. Let's guide you through creating a union of tables. This will allow you to combine multiple tables into one data source for seamless analysis. First, let's begin by opening Tableau Desktop on your computer. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed and ready to go. Once that's up and running, you'll want to connect to your first data source. This could be anything from an Excel spreadsheet to a text file or even a database. Essentially, any source that holds your data is a great starting point. When you've chosen your data source, connect to it through Tableau. Next, head over to the data source page in Tableau. This is where you'll find the table with which you want to work. Take your time here to make sure you choose the correct table that you want to union with another. You might notice that each row or record represents a different instance or piece of data that you'll eventually want to analyze. Now it's time to perform the union. What we'll do here is drag the second table, the one you want to combine with the first, directly below it on the canvas. Carefully move it until you see the union option appear before you release it. It's crucial to wait for this visual cue, as it confirms that you're about to create a union between the tables. Once you've released the mouse button, Tableau will instantaneously attempt to align the columns based on their names. This is a handy feature that tries to match and merge columns if they hold similar data. However, sometimes columns might not align exactly as intended. This often happens when the column names differ slightly but carry the same type of data. In cases of mismatched fields, where columns have different names but essentially represent the same type of information, you can manually merge them. Simply drag one column header onto the other within the union profile. This will prompt a merge, aligning the data correctly for your analysis. Alternatively, you can use the Merge Mismatched Fields option from the columns drop-down menu to accomplish the same task. Finally, Tableau offers you the flexibility to rename the union for better organization, or to remove any tables from the union if needed. This gives you control over how your data is structured, ensuring that everything is set up just the way you want it for analysis. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to union tables in Tableau Desktop. This method allows you to combine different data sets efficiently, providing a comprehensive view of your data. Happy analyzing!